Hey guys, we made it to Tennessee. Yay! Hey guys, so we just got the new Traeger Ranger set up. Hey guys,
it's been a little bit.
And if you're new here, we are rolling with Sanchezs. We are full-time RV, a family of 6, and 1 Chihuahua.
So we parked our rig late at night, pretty late at night. We have the video. It was like 8:30, and there's no streetlights where my parents have their property, and there's no lighting, so Houston was able to back it in, but we were able to do it. And then we went to Disney after that. We did 6 nights in Disney, and then we went back to my parents' property, and we stayed there for about 40 days.
Yeah, I think what made it easy to back in at night is me and Olivia work pretty good together, and yeah, we just have like a method down. I think what also helped was the truck has lights on it, so I was able to light it up a little bit and see what we were backing up to. Yeah, so we spent a lot of time in Hohenwald, and
we spent time in Hohenwald. We went to Columbia because we like Dutch Brothers, and that was the only Dutch Brothers close. There's Brentwood.
They have a
which
Costco.
Is right outside of Nashville, and they have a Costco. It's like the biggest city before you get to Nashville. So we spent a decent amount of our time in Central Tennessee this winter because we didn't want to move around a lot and then our fridge fall out again. So we just kind of stayed put at a couple places so that we didn't have that issue again, because if we don't have a fridge, then that would really stink. So we left, and you guys will see next week where we ended up, but thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it.
We have a surprise, so just keep on watching. Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hey guys, we made it to Tennessee. Yay! And Tennessee, just like that. Keep on watching, like, subscribe, show all your friends, see where we are, and yeah, keep following us along.
That's what he does for videos.
We went to Lawrenceburg because we wanted to go check out Amish country.
Yeah.
And so Amish country is like right above. It's called Ep9, I think, and there's a little Amish community. That was cool. We went to their houses. We didn't really video that because they don't like to be taken pictures of or videoed, but we went to their houses, and Houston got a couple knives that they made, handmade. They do really beautiful leather work too.
And if you go, just take cash. Crazy. No pictures.
Yeah, there's no pictures, and they only accept cash. They don't have like debit card or anything, so make sure to pull out cash. But it was pretty cool.
We bought some candies. We bought
knives.
Your mom bought nuts, walnuts, or pecans.
Pecans, I think.
Pecans, and she made a pecan pie with them, and it was pretty good. So we definitely enjoyed that area. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next one. Hey guys, we are here somewhere hanging out, and as you can see, we try products so you don't have to. We got a new trigger. It's the Ranger. So we just picked that up yesterday. We're gonna get this unboxed. We got a few things that we're gonna cook up today, so come along with us, and yeah, let's try this baby out together and see how these things come out. Yeah, what you got? So we got the to-go bag,
which works for the Scout or the Ranger.
Yeah, it works for the Scout or the Ranger. We got some drip trays. A lot of people use foil. That's what we're going to do after we use this pack. But we pretty much got it for free because we went to Ace Hardware. And they do military discount. Off. They do 20% off, so we got that. We got the bucket here for the pellets, so they stay dry and don't get a bunch of moisture. So let's open this up together and see what we get and what comes with it. I was reading the thing. It says, yeah, it comes with a cast iron griddle, keep warm mode, meat probe, 5-degree temperature setting increments. So this thing's pretty nice. It's the hopper holds 8 pounds. Yeah, we got a pretty good sized brisket that we're gonna try and fire up today. This video is not sponsored. This thing is beautiful. Hey guys, so we just got the new Traeger Ranger set up, and yeah, we're letting it run 30 minutes on 450 to season it up, and yeah, so come along with us, check it out. And, it was a pretty easy setup process. It took me maybe 30 minutes to get it all set up. I got all the kids carrying all my parts, taking all my parts, so 30 minutes isn't bad. So yeah, so far so good. We like it. We'll give you guys an update in about a week. Well, after we do this, this brisket. We'll come along with us. You guys see how we cook it up. See what we do. Got it all trimmed up. Put some mustard as our base. Let it sit overnight. So let's get it thrown on. See how well this smoker does. We're gonna run this baby 175 for about 10 hours. We'll be eating it for dinner tonight. I'll keep you guys updated, and let's see what happens. We got that baby on there, right, Margie?
Yeah.
Got that baby on there. We're gonna let it go for about 10 hours. So come along with us. Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. See you on the next one. Well, we'll see you in about 10 hours. So we'll keep you updated on this. Until then, see you then.
So Houston got pulled over in Tennessee, right around Spring Hill.
Right at Spring Hill.
So he got pulled over because one, we're used to like higher speeds. Okay, so like in Wyoming, everything's like 70, 75,
80.
So it was opening up to like almost a freeway. So he thought it was like 70, 65, and the speed limit was 55. So we got it cleared up. He went to traffic school, but yeah, that sucked.
I just was. We were talking. We seen a beautiful home off to the right, and it was right by the GM factory. If you're around this area or you know this area, we were right at the GM factory, right across the street, I guess. And yeah, I was just cruising. We were having a good time, and the cops lit us up.
Yeah.
If you're in Tennessee, slow down. Just go the speed limit. If you have out-of-state plates, yeah, definitely go the speed limit. And yeah.
No, it was easy though. We just contacted the clerk's office, and he was able to like schedule traffic school.
The clerk's office of what, Murray County or something?
Yeah, and they helped us out.
That lady was so helpful. She got it taken care of the next day. I went to traffic school for 4 hours. I had to do that online, but I got it taken care of. So my driving record is still clean. So yeah.
And you learn to watch that there's extremely when you're in Tennessee, make sure you watch, because the
speed limit
fluctuates so much, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, just watch for all wildlife. Deer, there are deer everywhere. So yeah, Tennessee, I mean, it's a beautiful place, but you got to watch out for your surroundings. We'll see you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, show all your friends. Until the next one, we'll see you guys.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Bye. 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 Bye.